Alright, all the big tech companies, Alphabet, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, uh, much smaller one that I own a bit of, eBay, all reported earnings today. Um, but what I wanted to focus this video on was Alphabet, because they just earned more money this quarter than any company in history. Um, 62.6 $62.6 billion is the historical record for the most money made by a company in a quarter ever. Um, it's pretty phenomenal. When you think about the attention economy and how money is kind of going to go where all the attention is, like YouTube, as I've said before, is the best asset on the planet. If we go to Waymo's expanding, 350 million paid subscriptions across, I mean, that's YouTube plus other things, but that's just crazy to have that many customers. Breakdown of their revenues. Um, like the revenues are just growing so fast year over year. Um, Alphabet is actually the company that I believe should be in everyone's portfolio, no matter your demographic. Um, Shareholder equity went up. What is that? 66 billion. Look at that net income increase. I fail to see how an investor could be unsatisfied with this earnings report. But yeah, I wanted to make a video because it's actually kind of like financial history. Um, it's not every day that a company releases an earnings report making more money than any other company in history. I added Alphabet to my portfolio in March of 2025. Um, it's gone pretty well. Um, at the current price, I wouldn't go too nuts buying. If you don't own any, I would buy some, but you could see that like when I bought it here, it was like a pullback, and you could be more aggressive, and it was more like value. But I I I believe that Alphabet has such strong assets that it's almost irresponsible to not own it, if that makes any sense. They announced this dividend was going to be raised from 21 cents to 22, by the way. Profits per employee 840,000. Well, that's good enough for this video, I think, but phenomenal.